Hey folks, just down here putting the mainsail on our CNC 38. So it's all up. Still need to put one batten in right there when I take it down. I forgot to put that one in. Going to get all the lines routed and that lowered, and I'll fold it up. And then the next step is the jib. On the top of the deck there, I still got to route quite a few lines. It's a new sail about 8 years ago, and it's never been used, so hopefully we'll get the main up this year. Something else I have to do is around the mast. Actually, it's a step-through mast. Goes down through the boat. Has spacers I got to put in around that. Stops it from moving back and forth. So the mainsail's all folded and put down, and it has the sail cover over top of the sail and boom. As you can see, it's not folded the best. It's quite windy out right now, and I'm here by myself. So this keeps the weather off the sails, and mainly the sun that actually deteriorates the materials. But when we get a nice non-windy day like today, I'm going to refold it. As you can see, it's kind of bowed out there. There's a couple straps that you use to tie the sail down and when you're folding it. So I'll do that next time. It's actually missing two. They're up at the house there, so right now there's only one on there and right there. So starting to look like a sailboat. The next thing to do is put the roller furling on. Sorry, I mean the jib on the roller furling. So hopefully that will be tomorrow. Today I'll probably route all those lines, and they actually go back to the cockpit area to unroll the jib. Anyways folks, just a short video, and here's a panorama of the yacht club. You can see the boats are starting to get all rigged up here. Somebody else putting their sail on. And like I said, hopefully I'll have the jib on tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It's pretty easy though. You winch up the jib in the roller furling. There's a little track where the sail feeds up through, and it attaches at the bottom of the roller furling, and then you have your two lines that run to the stern of the boat, and then you start rolling it up with the black line. If you can see it running from the front all the way up, it goes around the pulley or the roller furling, and it rolls up the jib. So 99% of the time that's what I mainly use. It's nice and simple. You don't have to fold the sail like the mainsail. It certainly is nice to get the main out every once in a while, but it's much simpler one-handed, or even with two people. You can do everything pretty much right from the cockpit. Anyways guys, just a short video on the CNC 38 with the sails on. Thanks for watching.